Hello, girl. Good girl. Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Alright, so today's actually been very busy. I've been gone all day long. Obviously I'm feeling much better. We'll be back on a regular schedule of videos, live stream starting tomorrow. But yeah, it just today I had to go do laundry, fill propane tanks, all that good stuff. And actually I'm walking a tank right now down to Rob's. When he was here, he asked me if I would get it filled for him, and I told him yes. So we're gonna walk this down to his place. And so I had a couple of tanks to fill. Steve had a couple of tanks to fill. We had laundry to do today, grocery shopping to do today, gas to get, you know, all those good things that need to be taken care of, that when you're sick and you're down, that you cannot. So that was what today was all about. That was the original plan anyway, was to go do laundry today. And Steve had asked me yesterday, are we going to go do laundry tomorrow? And I said, well, let me see how I feel. I said, I will call you in the morning. So I called him this morning, and I said, yes, we are on. And Bonnie, what do you think? We're not going inside there. So there's this tank there for him. All right. I don't know if he got the letter. The HOA had to send him a letter about taking care of his yard area. I'm just messing around, guys. I'm only kidding. So... oh, now we're getting a little rain. It's been raining kind of off and on. And so Clyde's in the house. He was out when I left. Bonnie was in. So he went in to eat. And then she said, okay, I'm ready to go out. Hella was in the pavilion. So she was very happy to get out as well. So we're going to take one more look at eggs, even though we got a bunch of chickens that are already roosted, and we're going to see how many more eggs we ended up getting today. So that's our next mission here. But I am, like I said, again, watch out. Again, I'm feeling much better, almost 100%. Still tired, not going to lie. I did want to address one thing, and you know, people in the comments, it absolutely kills me a lot of the time. Excuse me, ladies. I have to get in here and see what we got. Excuse me. Excuse me, do we have any more eggs back here? I'm not feeling any. What about over here? No? Okay. All right, let me go check in the other one. Yeah, would you like how dark that was? Let's see. Nope, that was it. All right, so what we got earlier was what we got. I think we ended up with 7 eggs in today. So not terrible. All right, so I wanted to address something that was said in the comments. So when I said I lost 16 pounds in 3 days, somebody had everybody's got to do their, you know, get their 2 cents in, of course. Well, that was probably 16 pounds of water weight. I realized most of the weight that I lost, folks, was water weight. When you do nothing but liquid stool for 3 straight days, basically, you know, and I am a nurse, so I kind of figure out, you know, what goes on there. I was not eating as well, so some of what I lost was probably fat. The majority of what I lost was obviously water weight. When I got on the scale today, I was like 218 and a half. because I actually ate yesterday. I felt better, so I ate. So I was at 230, and so I figure I might be, you know, lost 5-6 pounds of the other way. We'll see. Obviously, I'm going to keep continuing to watch what I eat, what my intake is, because I don't want to, you know, just start piling pounds back on. So, you know, and I did push fluids huge while I was not feeling well. I pushed a lot of fluids. So, you know, drinking a lot of water, a lot of green tea, a lot of hot tea. So I was doing a lot of that, hot tea with honey. And so, you know, that's primarily for 2 straight days. I didn't eat anything for 2 straight days. So some of what I lost was definitely fat reserves. I love the person that said, well, you know, losing 16 pounds, you could lose 50. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. And you're right. I could lose 50 pounds. But I did not. I lost 16. I will gain some of that back, you know, as my body readjusts. Losing that much weight that quickly is not healthy, obviously. But my ultimate goal is to get back down to a decent body weight where I want to be. It's not where anybody else says I need to be. It's where I want to be. So just wanted to put that out there as well. So now that I am feeling better, my mission tomorrow is going to be, I'm going to clean this up obviously as well, but this tarp, I'm going to figure out what I'm saving from it, cut what I'm going to cut off. It's going to be going into the dog run, or the dog house tomorrow. All right, and even if for temporary, if I take some of this here material and tack it up over the door for right now, I may do that. I haven't decided yet, but that might be an option for right now. This is a huge, I mean, this canopy is the same size as that canopy. Not all of it is done and shot. Some of it is salvageable. So a large portion of it is salvageable. So we will definitely utilize as much as I possibly can inside of their doghouse. So that's going to be something that's going to happen tomorrow. What are you doing? What are you guys doing? So anyway, hello babies. Hello babies. Oh, good boys and good boy. Yeah. So yeah, so that's kind of where we're at with everything. We'll get that squared away so that they can utilize that, and they'll have a good dog house where they can get in out of the weather as well. They have this for right now, which has worked, but I want something that's going to be really nice and warm for them. And like I said, when what I'm going to do in there, I'll show you all that. And especially when it's all done, I will show you that as well. Again, today's just going to be the one video. Tomorrow we'll try to get back on a normal routine of videos for you guys, and we'll go from there. So yeah, so that's kind of where we're at, and I hope you guys are having a good day. It definitely feels better to be feeling better. Again, I'm not 100% yet, and I know that, but I'm definitely a long way in the right direction, which is really helpful, because I got really tired of feeling like crap. And like I said, your health is everything, folks. Take care of your business. Seriously. All right? I will talk to you all later. Have a good night. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.